The original fairy tales are all the same. The princess, the hero. But this story is all about
me. Meow.
Our next target is this way.
Okay.
Well, have you noticed? There's no food.
That is odd for a market town.
It smells, doesn't it?
Smells like
A mystery.
The food in the town continues to
Disappear.
Us? You wanted to see us?
There are new rats in town. I can feel it. Catch them and bring them to me.
Yeah. Yes, sir!
Remember, this is a new town. There's bound to be new traps.
Got it!
I know just what we must do next to solve the mystery of our town.
Ready?
Your savior has arrived.
Hey, that cat can talk.
Everyone, look for the entrance to the secret passage.
Keith, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right because I landed on my head.
No wonder we didn't see it.
You know I have a thing for rats.
It's not cool to pick on the little guys.
Fighting for our lives!
You defy me!
Maurice, follow me!
Here I come!
Come to me! Never! Then feel my pain.
You'll never fit through!
Like a cat! If my head fits, the rest will follow!
The Amazing Maurice. It's really not your average fairy tale.
Don't worry, a cat always lands on its feet!
Maurice! Amazing Maurice!